Hello, everyone. Today I will be talking about our week 6 assignment of online learning. The first thing that you will need to do is go ahead and view the Gmetrics videos for the training for manage multiple presentations. This has a 3 video training process. Lesson 1 will show you how to manage multiple presentations. Lesson 2 is part 1 of finalizing presentations, and lesson 3 is part 2 of finalizing presentations. This basically completes our Gmetrics capability of completing what we can since we are all working from an iPad. The it is going to be very important for you guys to view this so that you are able to do the next assignment, which is fill in the blanks for that particular session module. Um, and so this fill in the blanks, like the last one, has a total of 23 fill in the blank word terms. So this fill in the blank, if you get all of the words right, you will have a total of 23 points um, when completed correctly and completely. Um, your view of Module 5 Lessons 1 through 3 video trainings will be worth 15 points. We will also have the animation project, which is the 7th project of this PowerPoint series. And so let's go ahead and review the instructions, and I will further show you the different tools that you must access um, through PowerPoint, the free version, online version, to be able to complete this assignment. So basically, I am looking for both animation and transitions in each of the different slides. And it is very important to give it your personal touch and do the best you can in terms of completing this next project that we have. You will be creating a slideshow about what college you would like to attend in the future. This project needs to consist of a minimum of 9 slides, which will include the title slide as the first slide and also an ending slide. On each of the slides, you will provide a photo and also text explaining your image based on the information below here. So the title information, once again, go ahead and, if you'd like, add an image, um, add an animation to the slide. The second one, you're going to need to do the name of the school and the location for sure. The third slide will consist of the size of the school. The fourth slide is why you like the school. The fifth slide is the price to attend. The sixth slide is 3 key facts about the school. Number 7 is what you will study when you attend that school. And number 8 will be what profession will you pursue when you graduate. The ending slide, once again, could have or must have definitely one animation feature. The rules for completing this project is that each slide must transition into the next one, and there must be a total of 4 animation features per slide, except of course the first slide, which will be your title slide, and the ending slide, which will be your last slide. Each text box must fade into the slide after the photo is animated onto the slide. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you what these tools, how to access them. So let me go ahead and click done here and open up the PowerPoint presentation, access through the free online office tools. I'm going to go ahead and click on the new blank presentation and show you exactly where you need to locate these slides. So the first thing that you must always remember to do is I'm going to go ahead and take advantage and use these text boxes to create the first slide, which is a title slide. So I could write University of Miami because that's what I am going to go ahead and research since we're here in the in Miami. And I'm going to go ahead and close this out a little bit. And I may want to go ahead and write my name. And also, not necessary to insert any pictures, but if I do want to do that, I could do an insert process, click on a picture, and if you have the option of clicking on Bing Pictures, you could go ahead and type in your actual university and different things should pop up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the logo and insert it somewhere in my slide. Now, even though this is considered my title slide, I am showing you and trying to insert as much as I can to show you what the four animation, how you could do the four animations in one particular slide. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out that text that was part of the picture from Bing, and I'm just going to keep the logo like I said. So that's a good center process. And if you could see on the right hand side, different designs pop up. So I think I like this one over here. So we'll go ahead, it changes different things, but it still keeps my text boxes. So this is one of the particular text boxes that I have, along with this one and this one as well. Okay, so this I would be able to do a animation for three different items here. My picture, my University of Miami text box, and my name. With that said, let me go ahead and just also add an additional text box so that you guys could see the four different animations that I'm looking for at work. So by Norma Bonet, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the class, which is computer technology class. Okay, I have two different blocks that I teach. So if you guys want to modify the class to reflect your block, that is fine as well. But because I'm sending this link to both, I'm just going to write computer technology class. So what I need to do is click on the actual text boxes in a way where I want them to show. So when I say that each text box must fade into the slide after the photo is animated onto the slide, this is what I mean. My first thing that needs to show up on the slide will be my logo picture, right? That's the actual picture. So the animation will be up here. Okay, so that's the first thing that will appear. The second thing that I want to animate onto the slide is the actual University of Miami name. So I'm going to go ahead and click on fade. If you notice, there is a number 2 here. So that tells me that it's going to appear on my slide in position number 2. So that's the text that I'm going to show. The third animation is going to be my name. It's going to go ahead and fly in the third position. And the last thing that will happen is I'm going to go ahead and have computer technology class split into the slideshow. Okay, so if we see the slideshow from the beginning, you will notice that there is a blank slide. Once we click enter, the logo, University of Miami shows. Next is the University of Miami actual word. Then it's my name. And then it's the computer technology class. So that is the process that I'm going to be looking for in terms of the slides, which are slides 2 through number 8. I'm going to go ahead and escape this. And remember, in order to insert a new slide, all you need to do is click insert and click on the new slide information. Because we are working with different options, I clicked on a blank slide. So I'm going to go ahead and click on picture from the image again, and I'm going to type in my university and click on that one more time. And this time what I want to do is maybe insert a picture of my campus, the campus. And I just want that and not the actual text box down here. So once again, I'll be deleting that and just keeping the image. And I'm going to go ahead and include another image, but this time what I may want to do is check out the stock images. All right, it's not working right now. Oh, there we go. It just takes a while. And let's see. So let me go ahead and maybe, because I want to describe once I graduate, maybe just a graduate picture. Since Pace graduates in red, let me see if, no, the color red is popping up. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on graduate. And that's not working. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the pictures once again from the Bing and do the University of Miami again. I'll go ahead and click on the mascot, which is an ibis. All right, and so slide number 2 talks about the name of the school and the location. So we'll go ahead and make sure that when I animate, I'm going to go ahead and animate the pictures first and then include a text box of the actual University of Miami and where it's located. So I am going to go ahead and add 2 text boxes here as well. And so I may want to just type University of Miami campus. and move it to the actual campus picture, and then insert Coral Gables, Florida. Of course, what I want to do is modify the actual font because it's not really visible to everybody. So I may want to go ahead and modify it with a darker font, and also the font size a little bit bigger. So there we go. Coral Gables, Florida, and the University of Miami. I'm going to go ahead and use the same font design and font size for it, and then kind of like modify, because what I want to show is first the campus itself and then the location. So in order to introduce, I need to go ahead and do a little bit of modification here. And I'm going to go ahead and center this as well. The words here, let me go ahead and center them, and where the location is at. Okay. Make sure that you're also verifying the spelling of everything. Florida. Okay. And so I got to remember that I have to first make sure that an animation comes in with the picture, at least the first picture. It's going to appear. Notice that it's number 1, and I want this to appear next, which is the wording. And then once again, the first thing that I'm going to have appear is the actual picture, which is the ibis, and then the word, the text box. All right. And I got to remember that what I also need to do is click on a transition for the actual slide. So I'm going to go ahead and say push up. Let's go ahead and review this slideshow one more time so that you guys could see what it should look like. Like I said once before, the 4 animations in this first slide, which is a sample for your second slide, is the actual logo, the actual University of Miami word, my name, and the class. Then in this second slide, I've transitioned it by pushing up, and then it's going to show the first image, then the University of Miami campus, which is a text, then it's going to show the second image, and it's going to show the Coral Gables, Florida, which is the location as requested on the second slide. Okay, and then you will go ahead and repeat this process for the information that is being requested for the rest of the slides. Once again, should you have any questions or concerns about any of the assignments for this week, you could go ahead and email me at nbonet2@pacehs.com, or you could also join me for a live Zoom session during our regularly scheduled time this week. So I hope to see many of you there at the live session, and I look forward to looking at all your projects and reviewing them and helping you guys in any which way you can. I will see you sometime this week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.